बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स। हिस्ट्री ऑफ पाकिस्तान सीरीज़ के इस हिस्से में हम 3 जून प्लान, इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस एक्ट 1947, रेड कैलिफ अवार्ड एंड ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ पावर इन 1947 के मतलब अहम क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कीजिएगा। आइए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। Who declared in the British Parliament that India would be freed by 20th February 1948? Answer is Lord Attlee. Who was last Viceroy of India? Answer is Lord Mountbatten. Who replaced Lord Wavell? Answer is Lord Mountbatten. When Lord Mountbatten arrived India? Answer is March 22nd, 1947. When Quaid-e-Azam reached Karachi? Answer is 7th August 1947. Who was known as Sarhadi Gandhi? Answer is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Justice Deen Muhammad and Justice Muhammad Munir were the members of Boundary Commission on behalf of Pakistan. Answer is Punjab. How many total members of Punjab Boundary Commission, including chairman? Answer is 5. Who had worked out a partition plan by the middle of April 1947? Answer is Lord Mountbatten. When Working Committee of the Congress gave its acceptance of the partition plan? Answer is 1st May 1947. When partition plan was issued? Answer is 3rd June 1947. Partition plan is known as? Answer is 3rd June plan. Which plan provided that the legislatures of the Punjab and Bengal shall decide whether the provinces should be divided or not? Answer is 3rd June plan. Which plan provided that military assets shall be divided amongst two countries after partition? Answer is 3rd June plan. Which plan provided that referendum shall be held in NWFP? Answer is 3rd June plan. Which plan provided that states shall be free and independent to join one or other country? Answer is 3rd June plan. Which plan provided that a boundary commission shall be set up after partition, which will determine the boundaries of two countries? Answer is 3rd June plan. How many boundary commission were appointed to demarcate the boundaries between Pakistan and India? Answer is 3. Who said that plan did not meet in some important respects our point of view? Answer is Quaid-e-Azam. The League Council, under whom directions ultimately accepted the 3rd June plan, but under protest? Answer is Quaid-e-Azam. Red Cliff Award was declared on? Answer is 7th August 1947. To give effect to the plan of June 3rd, the British Parliament on July 18, 1947 passed which act? Answer is Indian Independence Act 1947. Who was the British Prime Minister at the time of creation of Pakistan? Answer is Lord Attlee. Which act provided for the complete end of British control over Indian affairs from August 15, 1947? Answer is Indian Independence Act 1947. Which act provided that Governor General and provincial governors would no longer exercise their discretionary powers of individual judgment? Answer is Indian Independence Act 1947. Boundary Commission were set up for Punjab and Bengal under whose chairmanship? Answer is Sir Radcliffe. Who was Sir Radcliffe? Answer is a lawyer. Who were the member of Punjab Boundary Commission on behalf of Pakistan? Answer is Justice Deen Muhammad, Justice Muhammad Munir. Who were the members of Punjab Boundary Commission on behalf of India? Answer is Justice Meher Chand, Justice Teja Singh. Who were the members of Bengal Boundary Commission on behalf of Pakistan? Answer is Justice Abu Saleh Muhammad, Justice S.A. Rahman, Justice M. Makram. Who were the members of Bengal Boundary Commission on behalf of India? Answer is Justice C.C. Biswas, Justice B.K. Mukherjee. When commission was set up? Answer is June 1947. When Radcliffe arrived in India? Answer is July 8, 1947. How many commissions were assigned the responsibility of demarking the boundaries of two parts of the Punjab and Bengal on the basis of contiguous majority areas of Muslim and non-Muslims? Answer is 2. Who was keenly desirous to become the joint Governor General of India and Pakistan? Answer is Lord Mountbatten. Which political party accepted the proposal of having a joint Governor General? Answer is Congress. Who rejected the proposal of having a joint Governor General? Answer is Quaid-e-Azam. When Lord Mountbatten announced the establishment of Government of Pakistan? Answer is 15th August 1947. When Quaid-e-Azam took oath as the first Governor General of Pakistan? Answer is 15th August 1947. Which act created two dominions, Indian Union and Pakistan? Answer is Indian Independence Act 1947. Which act provided for the complete end of British rule in the subcontinent? Answer is Indian Independence Act 1947. According to which act the title of Viceroy was to be dropped? Answer is Indian Independence Act 1947. व्यूअर्स, अगर आपको मेरी यह वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक कीजिएगा। बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर एग्जाम्स। अल्लाह हाफिज़।